Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be discussing with you what is ChatGPT and how does it actually work. But first, check our special offer in the description. Let's get started. Now, if you're new to what we call AI and you're wondering what is ChatGPT, well, it's pretty simple to understand what it actually is. Now, from the name itself, ChatGPT is an AI. Now, AI stands for artificial intelligence. Now, artificial intelligence is like, let's just say, intelligence or a computer that actually learned from certain books or articles. So, basically, from the name itself, ChatGPT is a kind of a robot or a software that actually learn from certain topics. So that includes like books, articles from different people, and even like from the internet. So anything that it can get hands on it, it has been trained. And the thing with this one is a lot of people actually is training the ChatGPT here. Think of it as like some kind of assistant, and that's been trained repeatedly. So that's why it works in some way. So how do you exactly start using ChatGPT, and how is it actually really helpful? Now, you can actually download and install ChatGPT from the Google Play Store, even the App Store, if I'm not mistaken. And if you install the app, you have the option to start chatting with the bot or the artificial intelligence or with ChatGPT. Now, in here, it works like any kind of like chat, or any. It's like you're talking to someone and just asking a few questions. Like, for example, you can even ask ChatGPT what it is. So, for example, I'm going to say, "What are you? Explain to me like I'm a child." And basically, it will make things a lot easier for you. So think of it as like your assistant, informing you a bunch of things, informing you certain details. And the great thing about ChatGPT here is everything it already knows, it will explain it to you. But they also have the functionality here that allows you to do some deep searching. It will use Google to search for certain information and basically inform you pretty much with everything. Now, you can ask ChatGPT here, what's the weather, what's the current exchange, if you want to have a crash course on a certain topic, properly explaining certain topics to you. So you could use ChatGPT in that way. So you could just type in whatever you want in here, ask ChatGPT, and that's pretty much it. Now, ChatGPT here, though, one thing that you need to understand is not a professional. Think of it as a tool and not something that you should be abusing in a way that asking for medical advices. So ChatGPT is still a robot. It could make mistakes. So only use it as a tool, as a way to help yourself, help your project, or help you in a way to, or assist you in a way to make things a lot easier for you, like organizing thoughts or organizing certain Excel documents. So that's how ChatGPT actually works. But that's about it. So, for this video, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.